Continuously acquire knowledge. I will do hard work. Succeed.
and succeed.
Going to discuss about 3-digit square, same unit.
Cell. So in this class we'll discuss about the cell. Basically what is cell?
Students, I am from Vedant Educare. Today I want to teach you the topic that is common errors in English. As we know that so many students do mistakes while writing or speaking in English. There may be the errors of either nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs and so on. So today we will detect such 10 problems and correct those sentences. So let's have a look on such sentences. I have done my work and she has also. So what is the mistake here? The mistake is in the second sentence. If the works are the same and the persons are different, so we should not write again and again also. So in this sentence, because the works are the same, so we have to use so has she. So students, you have always be remembered that always you should have to use so, because the works are the second sentence we see, according to me this is the best dress. You can think that this is the right sentence, there is nothing wrong, there is nothing wrong, so but here is the mistake. The mistake is of in the word of according. According grammatically or spelling wise is correct, but we should not use according word for ourselves. If we are talking about ourselves, for me, so we should not use according for ourselves. If we are talking about other persons, that is according to her, according to him, according to them, at that time you can use according, but for yourself, for myself, you cannot use. Instead of using according to, you have to always write in my opinion. So answer will be, so students, you should always use in my opinion. We see the famous dancer and teacher were present there. So what is the mistake here? Here is the mistake in the helping verb, which is were. It should not be plural, it should be singular, because the famous dancer and teacher are the same person, not different person. So we should not use were. Instead of using were, we should use was. So the answer will be, in this way we should always use was instead of. She is more clever than you. So what is the mistake here? Here is the comparative degree. So in the comparative degree, it is written in two types. First we can use er, and in the second type we can use more. So here more should not be written, because there is the comparison between two person, that is she and you. If there is a comparison between two person, so we should always write er form, not more form. That here is the comparison between two person, that is you and she, so we should write er form. Here in this sentence, brave and cleverness are the two qualities, but they are in the same person. So we should write more instead of cleverer. More clever than you, than brave, not clever. What is the mistake here in the sixth sentence? Can you find? The mistake here is in that noun. As you know that luggage is the uncountable noun, so you cannot use here s or es form. It will be always be in the single form, because it is uncountable. So it will be singular. You can use one piece of luggage, two piece of luggage, but not one luggage, two luggage. If you are using one luggage, two luggage, at that time it will be wrong. You can use one piece of luggage, two piece of luggage, but you cannot use luggage. Seventh sentence. So what is the mistake here? Here is the mistake again in s form of laws. There should never be used s before law. Instead of using s before law, we can use here. The noun is sister, so we can use sisters instead of laws. So the s will be removed from the laws and it will be added in the sisters. So the answer will be the answer. Now we are coming to the 8th sentence. In the 8th sentence we see this is one of the best colleges. So can you identify what is the mistake here? Here is the again the mistake of S. If we are selecting the best, the most, so we should always use singular form because it is the best thing. So we cannot use here plural form. So the answer will be this is one of the means singular, not plural. So why we should use S form? We should always use singular form. So the answer. So now come to the 9th sentence. What is the mistake here? Here is the mistake of back. Back. Why here is the mistake? Because we should never use after return the word back. Return back, revert back. Back should not be used because return or revert word already giving their meaning. So there is no need to use the word back. So the answer will be I returned at home, not I returned back at home. So now we are coming to the 10th sentence. As we have seen in the 6th sentence there was the mistake in the word luggages. Luggages was also uncountable noun. In the same way equipment is also uncountable noun, so it cannot be in plural form, it will always be in singular. To the 10th sentence, what is the mistake here? Here is again the mistake of uncountable noun. As we have seen that equipment is the uncountable noun, so we cannot make it plural like the word luggage. So it will, the S should be from, it will always be in the single form. But if you want to dictate one piece of equipment, two pieces of equipment, at that time you can use one or two words, but not equipments. So the answer will be the factory has all the latest equipments. It will always. In this way I have completed 10 sentences with errors. So now I will continue my next topic in the next day. Okay, thank you.